Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am going to explain about the Ram Yantra, which is one of the most important astronomical instruments at Jantar Mantar, Jaipur, which was constructed by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh in the 18th century. This instrument was constructed to accurately measure the altitude and the azimuth of the celestial bodies. Now, what is the altitude and azimuth? The altitude is the height that the sun makes with the horizon, while the altitude is the angle it makes in the relation to the north pole, which is conventionally marked as 0. Here we can notice that there are two yantras which are complementary to each other, which means that the segments which are empty in the one yantra is filled by the complementary segments in the other yantra. This yantra together consists of 24 segments, which means that each yantra consists of 12 segments. But here's the catch. Here we can see that the one yantra has the broader walls while the other yantra has thinner walls. This is because that the one yantra has the segments of 18 degree each, while the other yantra has the segments of 12 degree each. As we know that the earth rotates 1 degree in every 4 minutes, so 18 degree segments translate to 72 minutes for one yantra, which is exactly equal to 3 ghatis, as we know that the 1 ghati is 24 minutes, which is the Vedic units of time division, while the other yantra, which consists of the segment of 12 degree each, which is equal to 48 minutes, and which means it is equal to the 2 ghatis, which means the shadow stays in the yantra of 18 degree segment for 72 minutes, while in the yantra which consists of the 12 degree segments, the shadow stays here for 48 minutes. Now, talking about the working of this Ram Yantra, here we can see in our model, in the center, there is a sharp needle which is known as the gnomon. Basically, when the sunlight falls on this gnomon, it casts a shadow on these walls, and with the help of that shadow, we can determine the altitude and the azimuth of the sun. Now, here we can see that there are some horizontal and the vertical lines on the walls. These horizontal lines basically determine the altitude, while this vertical line basically determine the azimuth. And in very simple language, we can say that these vertical lines are used to determine the rotation of the earth till now. Now let's see how this instrument works in the sunlight.